In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a Google form. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Welcome back, everybody. I'm really excited to dive into this tutorial with you today because creating a QR code for a Google form is incredibly useful. Imagine being able to share your form quickly and efficiently, whether it's for a survey, an event registration, or gathering feedback. You can include this QR code in print materials, presentations, or even share it online. It's a fantastic way to allow people to access your form instantly with just a quick scan on their mobile devices. So let's not waste any more time, and let's get right into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer. Once you've got that opened up, you'll need to navigate to the website forms.google.com. This step is crucial because it's where all the magic begins. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure that you're signed into the Google account that holds the form you want to create the QR code for. Getting this right ensures you have access to all your saved forms in one place. Now, after you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Google Forms dashboard. Here, keep an eye out for a section labeled Recent Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created or worked on recently. It's pretty handy, to say the least. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the form you'd like to generate a QR code for. Just click on that form, and it will open up the form editor where you can see and edit your form's content and settings. Now that we are all set up in the form editor, here's where the magic really happens. With your mouse, right-click anywhere on the page. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options. Among these, look for the option that says, Create QR code for this page. Select it, and boom! The system generates a scannable QR code that links directly to your form. This is particularly convenient, as it means anyone who scans this code can access your form without needing to type out a lengthy URL. Once you've selected that option, take a moment to appreciate the QR code that's just been generated. Next, let's get it saved to your device. Navigate to the upper right panel of your screen and look for a button that says Download. Go ahead and click on that. This action will save the QR code image directly to your device, making it super easy to use wherever you need, whether that's in a document, poster, email, or presentation. Now, after you've clicked Download, you might have to wait just a moment for the file to process and save to your device. It's a quick operation, but patience is key. Once that's completed, you should see a button that says New Download Available. Click on that button. This will either open your Downloads folder or prompt you to locate the file you just downloaded. Find that file, which should be your QR code image, and go ahead and click to open it. Make sure to take a moment to confirm that it's saved correctly and looks just right. And that's it, folks. You've successfully created a QR code for your Google form that allows anyone to scan and access it instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial.